Hi guys, welcome to Matt's Lock Pit. Today's video I'm hoping to pick and gut a challenge lock for you. See, we got this old WIM cylinder. As you can see, we have BLP-60 on the side. So we'll know that's Bronx Lockpicker 60. So we pinned this lock on the 15th of the 1st, 2017. Pinned by BLP-60 there, as you can see. And she's called Ole Rusty. So, yeah, let's get it in my trusty piece of wood. High-tech cylinder holder, as you can see. State of the art. And, yeah, I've had a 10-minute blast on this lock not so long ago. About 20 minutes ago. And, came close, but no cigar. I'm pretty confident I could well get an open on this little 10-minute session, so fingers crossed, and we'll open it. There we go, screwed nice and tight there. There we go. So yeah, as I said, I've already had a go at this. I was trying top of the keyway tension last time. You can see it goes quite nicely there. However, it slipped out 4 or 5 times, and starting to really piss me off, to be honest. So I'm fucking that off this time. I'm gonna find a different way of tensioning it. And I was using a short hook, and I was working off the bottom on my last little session, which seemed to be going okay. However, I'm gonna mix it up, see what I can do. So yeah, I'm going to use a offset diamond, and I'm going to try and pick off this ward in here. That's the plan. I don't know how well it's going to go. You have to bear with me. No, I don't like that. That's shit. Might be able to work with that. We'll see what goes. See how it goes. And yeah, I'm hoping to get an open on this lock. As I said, it's pinned by BLP-60. Nice few clicks already. And I'm a big fan of his pins. He posts them on Facebook and whatnot every now and then. Every time I see them, I think, fucking hell, they're beautiful. Nice full set there. So a bit of counter off number 1. So yeah, I'm hoping that well, to be honest, from what I can feel of this lock, I can already feel that pretty much everything is going to be serrated. So I think we could be in for a visual treat. Nice click again. 5. That's if I can open the little bugger, that is. Got to be really careful. There we go. She's open. Lovely. I was just about to say, I've got to be really careful picking from that position, as very close proximity to the pins there. Big danger of oversetting, but as you can see, that didn't happen. As I said, I am quite excited to see the pins in this lock. We'll have a look now, but Bronx, man, that was a fun lock. Click, 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 open. There we go, as you can see, fully open there, fully picked. See if I get that focus view. So cool, I've got the key, so go ahead, lock it back up. Just going to move the camera slightly for you. So yeah, forgot, didn't show you before, there's the key for it, works absolutely beautifully, as you'd imagine. Feels brand new, to be honest. Her name's Ole Rusty, but she works a treat. Right, so we've got 2 screws on the back, we'll get them off first. one screw out. Unfortunately, my bigger pinning tray is being used right this second for a little project I'm working on, so I'm going to have to use this little pinning tray, but the end result's the same no matter what. What do we need here? So yeah, key in the back. See if I got room to get a shim in there, I think. Don't use shims very often. I just feel when it's somebody else's lock, especially a challenge lock. There we go, that's the front. Yeah, especially if it's a challenge lock, they've put so much time and effort into it. Then, yeah, to be honest, you don't want to ruin it, it's not fair. Good. Almost through. There we go, lovely. See if I can zoom in there, a slight touch view. So as you can see, take the key out. Lovely stuff. As you can see, everything needed to be picked. And yeah, I'll just dump them out and then we'll show you. So excuse the noise in the background, guys. Looks like my little one's just woken up from his nap. Ah, beautiful. Sorry guys, didn't even realise you can't even see. Alright, I'll give you a close up of these pins at the end. Sorry about the camera position. Zoomed in on. Sorry about the lack of camera skills here, guys. It's one of those things. Wow, cool. There were some beautiful pins there. I'll get them out and then I'll show you the pins afterwards. Explain it all a bit more. Let's have a look in the top here. Nice. Where's my bloody pick? Threading in. Nice fine threading in all of them. Lovely job. So with these serrations and that threading, the amount of clicks isn't surprising really. So I get my shim back out. No, shim wants to stay there. It's a bit of a tight fit. Bear with me 1 second, guys. Just want to pull that shim out. There we go, shim out. Rightio, let's get in here, see what we're dealing with. Oh, very nice. Well, that looks like a key pin. It is a key pin, upside down key pin. That's a driver pin, very nice. Multiple serrations on that. Where's me over? There we go, flat copper spring by the looks of it. I'll have a proper look afterwards. Into pin number 2. She's another key pin as a driver. Double serration by the looks of it. Here we go, we have another copper pin, copper spring, however it is slightly different. See what pin 3 holds for us. Another key pin, which is kind of semi-spool, semi-serration. As I said, I'll show you them all close up afterwards, so just get them all out first. Whoa, 2 springs in 1 hole there, guys. Double spring, very nice. Funky. Right, let's go for pin number 4. Another key pin. My guess they're all going to be key pins. Very nice. 2 fine serrations and almost a spool serration. Another, I'm not sure whether that's a double spring or, yes, double spring in pin 4 again. Very cool. And last but not least, lo and behold, she's another key pin. Oh, beautiful, look at those pins. Pins are exactly as I imagined them to be. Bang that last spring out. And we have a plain copper spring to finish. BLP, man, they're fine springs, just as they look in pictures. Right, let's see if we've got anything done in here. As far as I can see, looks all standard up there. Cool. So let's get you a close up of these gorgeous pins. Wow, very, very nice pins there. Awesome stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Thank you, BLP. That was a very, very fun pick. I really enjoyed that. And on the off chance that any of you are watching my videos and haven't come across Bronx Locks Picker, I'll stick the link for his channel in the description for this video. Check him out. Very cool guy, good content. And yeah, so just one more close up of those beautiful pins for you. Look at them, lovely. So guys, thanks for watching, and please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you all again soon. Take care, bye now.